This is a cold start of a bike by MTD lt-185 hydro. It's actually a nice mower, but it's super slow. Yeah, and that was wired because I left it on the rain yesterday. I gotta put it back in the shed. So, put the key on the run, set the throttle, pull the truck, braking. That's disengaged. It's electric PTO. Let's try to start it. Some water. Not a big deal. Here's my tripod. Yeah, it's really good right now. It's awesome really good. I am I think it's 54-inch deck. Headlights work too. I'll show you. Half the time they work. Our other one that's in the shop right now, getting a tune-up, doesn't headlights crappy on it. I like leaving the headlights on and the key off because then it just starts a lot harder and feels better. Okay. It's got working taillights too.